You've got these buttons here to open and close these blinds that lead into the bathroom, whether you want to open or closed. The air conditioning is very straightforward, just on or off button there. They fill the minibar up every day and just replace what you've used. They also had some snack boxes when we arrived. 2 large bottles of water each day, some fizzy drinks, some juices. And they've got PowerPoints here. The phone works. The balcony is nice and big. We just had a standard room, mountain view room. If you just look around, you can see a bit of the sea there, just to the left. A couple of drawers there. Wardrobes on this side is all shelves. This wardrobe, if you've got long dresses, there's not really room enough there because you've got the drawers underneath. Safe is easy, just put in your 4 digits and press the close button, and when you want to open it, just the 4 digits. You've got bath slippers and robes and the laundry, if you want the laundry done. The hairdryer in the bathroom is under the sink here in that black bag. You get given shampoo and shower gel, so if you want a hair conditioner, bring your own.